This half cup fills it.
I choose red.
So that's a half cup of
You want red?
baking soda
Yes. I'm going to do a half cup of vinegar on it.
and a half cup of vinegar. Ian, I need you to narrate, please.
Okay. One dark day. Oh, the village of Caboose Village was right next to their volcano, happily ever after.
Not anymore.
But soon there will.
How much red are you adding?
but there was a prophecy that Mount Caboose will explode. And it says that will happen on 2010, April
What is today? The 11th?
11th.
Yes.
April 11th.
Okay.
And soon it will happen. Ah! Hello! Ah! Ah! The volcano exploded!
Move out of the way!
Ah! No! Yeah!
The destruction is complete.
Go get some more vinegar.
Okay. But it just stopped for a brief moment.
Aftershocks!
Step off to the side some more. There you go. Now put it in there.
And then it happened again. Just like Mount St. Hello.
It's a secondary explosion from hell.
Go get some more.
Get some more, get some more.
Oh, I'm
Be
sorry.
careful when you're pouring that, dude.
And then it stopped for a couple hours. And then went, ah! Ah! Man.
Oh, the carnage, the destruction.
And then,
All we need now is Godzilla.
no, guess what? I am Ian.
Oh, that's a good one.
Ian, god of volcanoes. You have betrayed me once again, Caboose Village. Now I'm making your volcano explode again. Ah! Ah! Oh no! It's Ian! God of volcanoes! Ah! Oh, what world from HE double hockey stick! Dirty Satan! I'm not Satan, I'm Ian! Ah!
Not much of a difference.
Ah! More destruction!
This is a science experiment? Gone horribly awry.
I know, let's add some yellow.
Oh, that was a good one, Daddy.
That's some yellow.
Yellow. All right. That's just going to make it come out orange, right?
Yeah. Now your volcano will turn orange lava! Oh, what? Darn, it's still reddish. We need more yellow!
I think we need some green.
Get some green, green!
Use the other ones, the smaller ones. Careful not to get it on you.